In a world where modern design often feels cold or overly polished, there's something deeply comforting about the timeless charm of a farmhouse that embraces both luxury and warmth. The modern farmhouse style has evolved far beyond rustic barns and vintage furniture. Today, it represents a perfect harmony between elegance and ease, between open modern architecture and the cosy spirit of countryside living. It's about creating a home that feels sophisticated yet relaxed, stylish yet deeply personal. When you step inside a modern farmhouse, the first thing that captures your attention is the sense of space. Open floor plans invite natural light to flow freely through the home, connecting the kitchen, dining and living areas into one seamless experience. It's a layout that encourages connection. Family members cooking, talking, or simply being together without walls or barriers. The openness brings freedom, but it's the thoughtful details that make it feel truly luxurious. The balance of textures, the soft palette of natural tones. And the presence of light that makes every corner feel alive. Luxury in farmhouse design isn't about excess. It's about the quiet confidence that comes from choosing quality over quantity. Wide plank wooden floors, exposed beams, and high ceilings create an architectural rhythm that feels honest and grounded. These homes celebrate materials that age gracefully: oak, stone, linen, leather, things that develop character over time rather than fading away. The walls are often painted in gentle shades of cream, sand, or muted grey, allowing sunlight to play the lead role. Every texture, from a hand-woven rug to a matte ceramic vase, adds depth and story to the space. In the heart of the home, the kitchen stands as both a gathering place and a design statement. Large kitchen islands often serve as the centrepiece, wrapped in marble or quartz with waterfall edges, surrounded by bar stools that invite conversation. Open shelving made from reclaimed wood balances the sleekness of modern cabinetry, giving the space personality and warmth. Pendant lights in soft brass or matte black hang above, providing not just illumination, but atmosphere. It's a place that feels equally right for a quiet morning coffee. The living area continues that sense of open, effortless comfort. Plush sofas in neutral fabrics, layered with soft throws and oversized cushions, create an environment that feels instantly inviting. Modern farmhouse decor often mixes vintage and contemporary pieces, a sleek metal coffee table next to a weathered oak console, or a contemporary art piece above a stone fireplace. This fusion gives the space an identity that's refined yet lived in, curated but never staged. Large windows frame the outside world like artwork, bringing the surrounding landscape into constant dialogue with the interior. Bedrooms in modern farmhouse homes are sanctuaries of calm. The focus is on serenity, simple forms, soft textures and lighting that soothes rather than dominates. Linen drapes move gently with the breeze, a textured rug anchors the room, and the colour palette remains muted to let the natural materials speak. A farmhouse bedroom doesn't need opulence to feel luxurious. It needs proportion, balance, and authenticity. The bed, often framed in wood or upholstered in natural fabric, becomes the quiet centerpiece of a space designed for rest, not display. So as you imagine your dream home, think of a place where sunlight moves freely, where textures invite touch, and where every detail feels both intentional and effortless. A place where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur into harmony. That's the essence of luxury modern farmhouse living, a celebration of design that feels warm, open, and unmistakably human. If this vision of calm sophistication speaks to you, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us which element of the modern farmhouse style you'd love to bring into your own space, whether it's the open floor plan, the natural textures, or the cozy outdoor retreat. Until next time, may your home be a reflection of comfort, connection, and quiet elegance.